Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to remove bad sectors from hard disk using Chkdsk. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Chkdsk space, drive letter colon space, /f space, /x space, /r. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand disk drives, right-click Disk Drive, click Properties, click Policies tab. Check better performance, click OK. Right-click USB drive, click Format. Change to NTFS. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.